Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in MetaTrader 5. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. As you can see, I have already opened my demo account. To deposit your money, you should need a broker account, which is not available right here, but you can open a broker account and that's how you can deposit your money. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.